If you are wondering if we have split screen on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then the answer is yes. And in order to use split screen, first we need to open both apps that we wish to use in split screen. So I already did that. I have opened two apps. I have the Messages app and the Play Store app. So you need to go to the background apps, for example, and then tap on the app icon that we have at the top above the preview. And then we have the split screen option. It is available only if we have at least two apps opened in the background. So then you can select the second app that we wish to use, and there we go. Now we can use two apps at the same time. There is also the swipe to split screen gesture, and you can activate it by going to settings, then over here go to gestures, and then go to swipe to split. And over here we can turn this gesture on or off. When it's enabled, you can swipe from left to right and then back to the left. So something like this. Let me try it out. Let's see if I can do this for the first time. No. There we go. So this is how the gesture works. If you have trouble with figuring out how to use this gesture, you can always use try it out in order to find out how to use this gesture. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.